So I'm gonna count down from 10 to 0. But then you shiver. But then you should know I don't really wanna take it slow. So if you love me, let's go.
What's up, guys? Okay, y'all, today's gonna be a product review from a company by the name of ConClarity. I do believe that's how you say it. I was given this product free of charge, but still to give my honest opinion about it. Okay, so this is the package that it arrived in, and it came pretty quick, guys. So I have already opened it, as you can see. And then this is the actual product. It is high contrast projector screen 3-inch black felt tape. And y'all probably like, what the heck are we gonna do with this, Kenya? Like, real talk, what's up? I'm glad you asked. So this product, taking it out, I already opened it. It is literally self-adhesive black felt, 3-inch, as I just mentioned. Adhesive on the back. Now, if I'm gonna put all the information in the description box, the link to where to purchase it at, and so you can get a better understanding what their intentions are to use it. But being that I'm a DIY girl, y'all already know I'm gonna use it differently. But this is the product itself. Very good quality from what I can tell. Felt. And like I say, adhesive back. Very sturdy in weight or what have you. It's not poorly made. Quality seems pretty good. But for me, what I had the envision to use it is more as a product enhancer. So when you're taking your pictures of your certain product, if you have an Etsy shop or any shop that you're displaying a particular item that you're selling, sometimes it's hard to show that item properly. So I'm going to show you a quick way how I would use this product and to see if it can benefit you guys too. I'll be back. Okay, for this example, I'm just going to show y'all I'm using just a plain old used little box, as you see, and I already cut out 3 strips. So I'm just going to take one of the strips and remove the backing. Let's see how easy it is to take this backing off. Booyah. Y'all can see? That wasn't hard at all, guys. And it's pretty sticky. I don't know if y'all can hear that, like my fingers are. And I'm just gonna place it on the box, y'all. How basic is that? And just a smooth finish. Booyah. So I'm just gonna add the remaining pieces and then I'll be right back. Okay, guys, this is artwork that I created that I featured on my Instagram page. And you see how you can see the artwork, but it's not popping out because it's against that white background. So let's see the difference my little DIY backdrop makes. Now the artwork is placed against the black backdrop I made using the felt tape. And see how that pops that out? Now, only thing you're looking at is that awesome cupcake I drew, or water painted, whatever you want to say. And it just make it more crisp, make it stands out more, the whole 9 yards. So I thought, like, heck yeah, because y'all know I did that DIY on that watercolor, and that white background washed it out. I'll put that video link at the bottom so you can see how that was washed out completely. But look how this pops it out. And it's very easy to do, guys. Y'all saw me just find an old box, apply that tape on it, and boom, instantly you got a backdrop. And voila, you see the actual setup. But you wouldn't even thought it looked like that. And since my item is small, look, compared to my hand, that project obviously is a small project. But since you get 30, the roll is 30 foot long, 3 inches wide, you can even do larger projects and larger items and whatever you need it for, if you want to use it in this fashion to display your items. And it's not just awesome for video. You can do photographs, guys. It's endless. You know what I'm saying? However you want to use it. So once again, I'm going to put all the information in the description box. If you're interested in this product, I give it a thumbs up for sure. I will be using this probably in some other, when I want to display other items to make it pop out. But I recommend this item, guys. It's good quality. And let me show you something else. Not only do it stay firmly on the item that you're placing it against, you can also readjust it without it jacking up. Now, a few paper came on it, but if you need to readjust this, now y'all know this is paper. 9 times out of 10, y'all probably not going to use this type of paper background, but still, look, it still came up easy, and then I can readjust it, and it'll apply back easy. Y'all already know, as many mistakes I make, I needed that feature, okay? That's what's up. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. If you like this video, go ahead and hook me up with a thumbs up. See you guys in the next video. Deuces.